They ignored the freezing temperatures to gather in a traditionally black church just a few streets away from the White House. This was a show of support for undocumented migrants, people Donald Trump says he will deport when he takes control.
If this administration and far-right fascist forces find ways to dehumanize these people and push them to the margins, no group of people is safe. And so we fight with them and stand with them.
Fatima Correas is what they call a dreamer, a child brought to the US from El Salvador by parents who entered illegally. She remains undocumented, but 10 years on, she's built a life here, and she fears it could all suddenly end.
To know that my future might be a little uncertain, it's worry, but I just want to say that I'm here to stay. I'm here to fight for my dreams and continue fighting along my community. I'm not going to give up my dream just because there's a guy that's saying horrible things about my community. That's not happening. I'm here to stay.
Donald Trump has talked about creating a deportation force, rounding up people he says are in the country illegally and removing them. While his advisors say it's not a priority, it's a theme he returned to again and again on the campaign trail.
No justice!
Elsewhere in Washington, other protesters took to the streets in freezing rain to voice their fears of the incoming administration and the new president.
I think with what he stands for and what we're going to have to deal with, I think with marches like this and hopefully future marches, we can help change the direction in which he states he's taken us.
We made a lot of progress in voting rights and civil rights and human rights, and we need not to let that slip away.
In 63 other cities, those angry at the election result have been trying to do what they failed to do at the ballot box, and that's derail Donald Trump's policies. And the voices of dissent will get louder, the numbers will get bigger,